Good evening to all. Myself, S.Vanchinadan, Assistant Professor, Department of Physics, K.S.Rangasamy College of Technology, Trichangod. So today I am taking the class of Engineering Physics, the first module of Engineering Physics, Ultrasonic and its application. So the ultrasonic is nothing but it is an sound wave. So the classifications of sound wave, there are three types. So the syllabus of ultrasonic waves, the classification of sound waves depends upon a frequency, and there are divided by three groups. The first one is infrasonic, so the second one is audible, and third one is ultrasonic. The infrasonic waves, the frequency range is below 20 Hz. The example of infrasonic waves is earthquake, and then audible range of ultrasonic waves, that is an waves the 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz, the between the range of sound wave. So 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz is called as an ultrasonic waves. So the ultrasonic waves can be here, so human ear. So the audible range, an example of audible range, speak and speech and music. The ultrasonic waves, is called as the frequency range is above 20,000 Hz is called as an ultrasonic waves. The ultrasonic waves and infrasonic waves cannot be here human ear. So the human ear, here the wave range, frequency range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The ultrasonic waves and also infrasonic waves cannot be here human ear. This is the introduction of sound waves. So and then it will goes to ultrasonic. So the ultrasonic is nothing but, so already we know, so the frequency range is 20 Hz to 20,000 Hz. The properties of ultrasonic waves, the main properties, it's an ultrasonic waves in high frequency sound wave having smaller wavelength, and then it will produce an heating effect when through passes the medium, so any one of the medium. So this ultrasonic waves can be refracted through the any one of the medium. These ultrasonic waves will act as an catalytic agent. Their chemical reactions. This is the properties of ultrasonic waves, and main important properties, it produces an stationary wave pattern when and pass through the liquid medium. So this is the main properties of ultrasonic waves. So right. So and then productions of ultrasonic waves. The ultrasonic waves mainly the production categories classified three types. The first one is mechanical generator, and then second one is magnetosuction generator, and third one is piezoelectric generator. So the nowadays mechanical generator, the below 3 megahertz can be only produced. So only, so nowadays we can use two types, the magnetosuction generator and then piezoelectric generator. The magnetosuction generator, it is the applications of and productions of low frequency sound wave, and then piezoelectric generator is, it's an high frequency generator. So it will explain one by one. The first productions of ultrasonic waves is magnetosuction generator, or it is also called as an magnetosuction oscillator. This is the low frequency, the example of low frequency ultrasonic waves. The first of all, the magnetosuction generator, it will depends on the principle of magnetosuction effect. So the magnetosuction effect is nothing but when a ferromagnetic rod is placed in a magnetic field, the ferromagnetic rod length will be changes. That is called as the change of a small change of elongation or contraction is called as an magnetosuction effect. This effect, it will increase, means this is a positive magnetosuction effect. If the ferromagnetic rod is decreases, this is called as an negative magnetosuction effect. It will change the length, it will produce the strength of magnetic field and the nature of ferromagnetic materials. It does not depend on the direction of any field. This is the principle of matrosexual generator, and then productions of matrosexual generator. The next one is the main construction of matrosexual generator. This is a circuit diagram, basic circuit diagram of matrosexual generator. The ferromagnetic rod is clamped at the center. The two sides of ferromagnetic rod. So one side is the coil L1 wounded, and then another one side is the coil L2 wounded. So the coil L2 is connected with the base of the NPN transistor, and then coil L1 is connected with the collector of the NPN transistor, and then NPN transistor emitter is grounded. So the NPN transistor collector is connected with micro ammeter and also variable capacitor. So this is the matrosexual, the working conditions of matrosexual generator. So already we can discuss the matrosexual generator consisting of B is the ferromagnetic rod. It's wounded on a coil L1 and L2. The coil L1 is connected the collector of the transistor, and coil L2 is the connected base of the transistor. Already we shown in figure. The working of matrosexual generator, the battery is switched on. The oscillatory current and produced to the collector. So it will create on vibration. So that vibration is an ultrasonic waves. So this ultrasonic waves cannot be here, but when the ultrasonic waves apply in the medium, so liquid medium, it will produce on stationary wave pattern. This current is passed through the coil L1 and magnetize the ferromagnetic rod. So due to magnetosexual effect, the ferromagnetic rod will lengths will be changes. The positive the length changes means the increase the length means positive magnetosexual effect, and the length decreases means this is called as a negative magnetosexual effect. Due to the magnetosexual effect, it will produce on the vibration. That vibration is called as an high frequency sound wave. The magnetosexual rod induces the oscillatory circuit, so the capable of vibrating at the natural frequency. So some conditions is there in the resonance condition. This resonance condition, frequency of the oscillatory circuit equal to frequency of the vibrating rod. The first one is the frequency of the oscillatory circuit. The frequency of the oscillatory circuit 1 divided by 2 pi square root of L1 C1, and then frequency of the vibrating rod, so 1 divided by 2L square root of Y by rho. So where here the equations where L represents the length of the rod, and then Y represents Young's modulus of the rod, and rho represents density of the rod. These conditions will be satisfied that so the ultrasonic waves will be produced. The applications and disadvantages of matrosexual generator. The main advantage is the construction is very simple and the production cost is very low. So it will low ultrasonic frequency. The matrosexual generator is the low frequency example of low frequency ultrasonic frequency. It will produce an high power output. And then a disadvantage of matrosexual generator, it has low upper frequency, so cannot be generate up to only 3 megahertz. The frequency of oscillations depends on the temperature. So the applications of matrosexual generator, so that it will any sound waves produced in this anywhere. So construction and anywhere in the auditorium and then seminar hall, it will check on the frequency or sound wave clarifications. So thank you. Next class we can discuss piezoelectric generator. The piezoelectric generator, it is an example of high frequency sound waves. So thank you.